In this video, I built a custom keyboard for under £100. This video includes me learning how to build a custom keyboard and some gameplay of the keyboard after. Before we get into this video, I want to show you my old keyboard. This is the Ducky 12 Mini and it has silent red switches. Okay, but let's start unboxing. So first we'll be starting with the PCB, and I chose the Next Time 75. Honestly, I would have rather bought the GMMK Pro, but for the price range, I kinda needed to get something cheap. This came in at around £45 on Amazon. You can tell the material's cheap, but it's very good for the price point. For the switches, I went for the Akko CS Silver switches, and they're just amazing. For the price range, Akko is just the best switches out there. I bought 2 packs of them, and they were just over £20 on AliExpress. They're amazing, and I will always recommend Akko switches to anyone building a custom keyboard. What I like about these switches is that they feel premium. The packaging is amazing, as you can see. Wait, it's upside down. What I like about these switches is that the packaging is amazing, they sound amazing, they look amazing. They're just all you could ask for switches, and for so cheap. I'll leave a video in the description comparing every single Akko switch. You can go and watch that and find the perfect switch for you. For the keycaps, I bought a set that I found on AliExpress for about £25. For the price, once again, they're just amazing. I really like the print because they don't have that sort of cheap look. I don't really know how to describe it, but I'll just show you some images on the screen. The pictures on AliExpress didn't really shine them in a good light though. They looked quite dull, but when I bought them, they were just so much better. Not including shipping, this keyboard was £85, and just have a look at the Ducky 12 Mini real quick. Which one would you rather have? The Ducky keyboard or this keyboard? As well, the Ducky keyboard is more expensive. The process of building the keyboard was honestly quite satisfying, and just being able to build it and listen to music and just have a good time. And yes, I know anyone who is remotely interested in keyboards is gonna kill me for this, but I didn't lube my switches. I'm not gonna lie, I want to do it, but I'm just lazy right now. But still, finishing the build was just amazing. Just seeing everything that I've planned, I've researched, and I've bought just come together, it was just so satisfying. What I like about it as well is it looks so much better than a generic keyboard for a similar price point. And I know that it may not be the cleanest build, but I'm still very happy about it. I did have one issue when it came to the building process, and this was broken switches. Because this was my first build, I was quite forceful when placing down the switches, and I ended up bending a few of the pins. So you can see here, one of the pins is straight and the other one's bent. I think to make my keyboard look cleaner, I can maybe change the knob on the keyboard to maybe a black or a purple or a pink one. The silver doesn't really go with it right now, and I want to change it so it looks cleaner. Now let's get to the bit you've all been waiting for. The sound test. And now, let's get into some Valorant gameplay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, the whiff.
I'm missing my shot.
What the fuck is that?
I don't talk about it. On your right. Left feet.
I'm so confused.
Top.
Oh, she is still on top. I thought she jumped down.
You're right. Now she jumped down.
I'm whiffing so hard right now. Oh, he got that dragon. Omen! Omen, are you okay? Oh my goodness.
3 cheap
All kitchen.
I hate this dumb fucking dragon.
But man. What about the dragon frenzy? It's hot.
Yeah, bro, give me the dragon frenzy.
You have to beg it. You have to beg for me.
Please.
Okay. But whoa. You don't get it anymore. No frenzy for you. Nice. Last on sight.
I think on your right. Yeah.
Wakanda.
No way.
Wait. Wait.